I have a story to share with you about high-stakes decisions which you're used to making every day in HR, especially when it comes to people, livelihoods, professions, and even lives. The takeaway I'm on point. I just want you to know. I'm waiting for the video to catch up. It's okay. Nobody's an imposter here. So the takeaway is how you can make a difference by decisive action during times of change, challenge, or crisis. During my 25-year police career, I was dispatched to thousands of calls, many tragic, and deaths could have been prevented if someone would have just made a better decision to call 911 first. It may surprise you to learn that many people will call loved ones or friends, not 911. This delays life-saving care when people only have seconds to spare and people die because someone did not make the right decision. Let me take you back to August 11th, 2009. I experienced one of the worst crashes of my career. It was a warm, sunny day, and a triathlete was hit on a racing bicycle by a 2002 silver Chrysler Sebring at 45 plus miles per hour. 45 plus miles per hour by a 3,400-pound car. That is the same amount of pressure a jackhammer uses to break through concrete. The driver kept on going, never hit her brakes, and he only pulled over because, get this, her steering wheel was wobbly and her tire had popped. The triathlete catapulted 30 to 40 feet in the air when hit, unconscious, and landed on rough gravel terrain, bloody and fighting for life. Luckily, there was a motorcyclist behind the driver who called 911 first, and the call taker dispatched first responders, and an assistant fire chief was in the area and burst out his front door and started to work on the injured athlete. But his heart sank. He recognized the athlete to be his neighbor, felt for a pulse, 70 over 40 and dropping. 70 over 40 and dropping is like turning on a fire hose and only getting droplets to come out. With his 20 plus years of experience, he knew there was no chance for survival. So he radioed for 2 medic crews to do a load and go to a trauma center with the athlete. And he struggled with how he would deliver the grim news to the athlete's spouse and young children. But the witness savored an ounce of hope and wanted to believe his efforts were not in vain. The end result of that 911 call being made first, the athlete survived head-to-toe injuries in many medical procedures that continue today. And I know, because the doctors said that athlete would have never survived had that 911 call not come in when it did. And I know because that athlete was me. I stand before you today because that motorcyclist took that high-stakes decision, took action, and made that 911 call, like many others do not. And I am eternally grateful for Witness Sanford Stoddard, Assistant Fire Chief Doug Patrick, Lansing Mercy Medics, and Clinton County Dispatch, the real unsung heroes who saved my life so I could return home and also to police work and continue saving other lives. I'm eternally grateful to them. And the next time you have to take high-stakes action in HR, it is imperative that you make an informed, prompt decision because you never know whose life, livelihood, or profession depends on you. Thank you.